I'm Dr. Jennifer Hollinger. I'm the Assistant Chair of the Education Department, and I work with the Masters of Education program and teach within the program. Our athletic coaching concentration allows students to explore not only the leadership aspects of coaching, but also coaching aspects such as nutrition, strength training that make you a better coach and make your athletes better athletes. This concentration is wonderful for people in multiple roles. You could be a coach in the K-12 system, in the community, or even higher education. People in this concentration complete a Capstone Project, and at the end of this capstone, they walk out with a unique personalized project that adds to their resume and prepares them for their roles. As you're considering our program, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We weekly meet with students and answer questions about transfer, about what pathway is best for them, about the process for application, and we can help you with any of those questions at any time. We would be happy to talk to you on the phone, email with you, or even do a video conference.